Hello everyone, this is Martin from LegalTrek. In this video I'm going to show you the new group action for billings. It is named Mark all time entries as non-billable. You can see that I have opened a page of a client and we have a plenty of assigned time entries. Some of them are paid, others are pending or cancelled. Let's say that the rest of the time entries are not going to be billed and we want to mark them as non-billable. We have 3 of them, but let's choose them all. Then we just need to go to the drop-down menu with actions and choose mark as non-billable, then apply and confirm the action. Now all the time entries that have not been invoiced are changed to non-billable and the time entries that have been invoiced are not changed. We believe that this would be useful for you. Thank you very much for watching.